Hi guys! So today we are back off on our travels again because it's been a long time. Let's go!
So this is the first trip of 2026. It is the first trip with our lovely new leather interior, and the van smells weird. Nice, but weird. Just doesn't smell like our van, but I'm sure we'll get used to it. So we are off down to Oxfordshire, pub stopover. It's the end of January, and we are meeting up with a couple of friends who, for those of you who have been following our channel for a while, you will know them from, they used to run the company Campervan Carpets. So for those of you who have got Californias and managed to snap up some of their wonderful carpets whilst they were operating that business, lucky you. But they have just changed their van, so we are keen to see what they've changed it to. So they had a Westfalia Kelsey, have an inkling they've gone for something bigger, but we shall see. And hopefully going to meet up with them shortly on a nice sunny day. So hopefully some good dog walks too, and a nice meal this evening.
Well, Sarah's doing a great job of driving there, look.
Trying.
Enjoying the Oxfordshire countryside. And we thought we'd go and meet Chris and Ali at a cafe. Now, they've been at Blenheim Palace today because they're posh and they like doing things like that. So we are hoping that they're going to be able to get here in time because this place closes at 3. So we will see. Never been here before. Hopefully it's going to have some nice walks and things too. So we can give Roxy a bit of a stretch of the legs. Expertly parked.
Ish.
So we are on the road, but that's fine. And I think the tea room is just there. So I think because it shuts at 3, I think that means tea first, walk after. And
much to Roxy's distress.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, Chris and Ali will arrive just at the point we're about to go for a nice walk. Well, this is very pleasant, isn't it? This is the Grocer Chef Cafe.
Yeah, very pleasant.
So, yeah, very pleasant.
Cafe.
Cappuccino in hand, dog being reasonably content for now. Yeah, she's waiting for her walk, isn't she? So,
absolutely.
Yes, I think we've got to have this. Hopefully, Chris and Ali are going to make it in time. And there's space on the road for them to park.
And hopefully it'll stop raining, because literally we parked the van, got out, and then it starts raining.
It did, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. But yeah, good little stop off this, and it's only a couple of miles away from where we're staying tonight for our pub stopover, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is East
Hendred.
East Hendred. So yeah, again, never been to this particular pub stopover, so we'll have to see what it's like. So good morning, here we are at the Eyston Arms in East Hendred. So let me show you where we've camped overnight and let me show you a bit about this pub. I'm just taking Roxy out for a quick morning wander and just general sniffing, but we'll go around to the front of the pub so you can see just how pretty this is. And the food last night, I have to say, was absolutely superb. So just having a bit of a wander around here in East Hendred this morning. Bit of a sleepy Sunday, but I tell you what, the architecture here is absolutely beautiful. Just in the bottom of this house here is the post office and shop, open on Sunday morning, which is lovely. And if I spin around, absolutely stunning. Let's go and have a look at the pub. So even despite the fact that it's just drizzling this morning, again, it is the end of January. We are here at the Eyston Arms. Absolutely beautiful setting. Very good food menu last night, and obviously we've got this fantastic pub stopover thrown in for free. So this is the back of the pub. It's got lovely covered area for seating and all that kind of stuff, and a normal pub car park. But when you spin round, this is where the magic happens, look. So they've got this huge kind of communal parking area at the back of the pub that you actually get to by going past the village shop, through the village and then round. So you come up that driveway just at the bottom there, and then there's loads of space to park a van. So these are both 6-metre vans, and you can just overhang the little grassy area at the back, and it creates no problem for anybody at all. Lovely and quiet here overnight. Obviously everyone who'd parked here going to the pub last night cleared out, and yeah, very, very peaceful night. So you might be wondering why we are here in particular, and that is because this is near Wantage, which is where Off-Grid Power Solutions are, and Chris and Ali with their van decided that they were going to have a lithium battery fitted, an inverter and all that kind of stuff. So that's meant that they've gone to Off-Grid. So we thought the easiest thing to do was for us to meet them somewhere nearby. So hence why we're here. So I honestly can't remember how I found this pub. I think I was just looking online, managed to find it, give them a call, all good, happy for us to stay over.
So it's time to answer the big question then, isn't it? What van did they get?
It's not really a secret, is it? These are quite distinctive. Now, it's either a Naus or
That's true. Yep.
it could be a Grand California.
It could. Shall we go and have a look and see what it is?
Let's do it.
Let's go. So it's looking to me like it might be a Grand California, but let's go and see, and let's find out what they had and why they changed it. Knock, knock.
Come in.
Can we come in?
Yes.
Hey, look at this. Oh, better wipe my feet, hadn't I? Come on in. Right then, Chris.
Yes,
What did you have and why have you changed it?
we had a California. We did the typical thing of buying a California during lockdown, actually about 4 weeks after lockdown. And we got a really good deal because nobody wanted campers then. So we sort of ended up doing some very small trips because you couldn't go anywhere. But we did sit outside in the camper
Very nice.
many times. And that was fantastic, and we loved the sort of freedom of it and the size, being small, park anywhere, etc. But there were a couple of things likely that people with Californias will miss, which is a toilet and a shower. So for longer stops, it becomes more difficult. So we upgraded not that long ago, a couple of years ago, to a Westfalia Kelsey, which gave you the toilet, and actually you can shower off the back of the vehicle or inside, but I wouldn't go inside because there's no proper kind of bathroom area. So we did that, we used that, and you then get to a certain age, me just over 60, where climbing into pop tops becomes a little bit more challenging, and it's just cold. If you go away in the winter, it's quite cold, and we wanted to do longer trips. So we then started looking for something that would allow us to have a fixed bed, washing facilities, but also something that would be better longer term over winter and things like that. So proper heating, a little bit of a better kitchens area, and not getting on top of each other. And this, I think, has ticked a lot of the boxes, the VW Grand California.
Excellent. Well, I think it's a lovely choice, actually. And how long have you had it? 2-3 weeks,
2 weeks
now?
2 weeks.
And it's been fully given the alley treatment.
Now, Will, you must go into the boudoir, as I call it.
Are you sure you want me to go into the bathroom?
It's been personalised, shall we say?
Yes.
It looks fantastic.
This is only stage one. I'm told it's stage one personalisation. So a lot of the decor is temporary until we actually get used to the van. But there was 2 days of stickering going on, so it can all be reversed without much problem.
Very clinical and white, isn't it? Without anything. So you have to kind of use stickers.
So Ali is currently staying well clear of being on camera.
Yes.
She's out there. She doesn't have a microphone on. So
naturally, we need to keep a certain humidity in the van for all of the tropical plants.
yeah, tropical feel. But it's certainly feeling very homely. Yeah, and a nice place to be.
This is our first overnight stop, and Will talked us into having some Roger treatment.
Right, so that needs a little bit of explanation,
Yes,
doesn't it?
yes.
So for those of you who remember, we've been to Off-Grid a few times to have some various upgrades done to our van of batteries, inverter, max fan, changes to solar panels and all that kind of stuff. And Chris was, well, I don't know whether Chris was adamant or whether it was Ali who wanted to be able to use a toaster and a hairdryer in the van, basically.
Yeah, hairdryer is not particularly useful to me.
But it was kind of a first things first, let's sort out the battery situation. So they've been see Roger at Off-Grid, hence the reference to going and seeing Roger.
We've both been Rogers.
Yeah. And so that was on Friday, wasn't it?
Friday, yes.
So
Yeah, we're now Sunday.
Battery and inverter and things. So this was and it's Sunday morning now. So
we've had a little bit of bedding in, and everything everything is good. We had 50% battery. We've done 2 days of constant use. We got down to about 5%, but the engine allowed us to charge back up really easily, and so anybody looking for solutions for a little bit more time off grid, we reckon we'd probably get about 4 days off grid
like
with the power that we've got, a 280 amp hour battery. But perhaps that discussion is for another time.
Yeah, possibly. But no, it's a lovely van, and I'm sure you'll be very, very happy.
Yeah. What I would say to anyone buying, this is a 2020 vehicle, so it's quite early. It's done 20,000 miles. It was clearly looked after. I think it did a lot of European longer trips, so it hasn't had the kind of use that you'd get for like weekend or day vanning or whatever. So a lot of the stuff isn't worn out, but naturally, you know, you can't go into it without appreciating that some things will go wrong. So we found a few little leaks here and there which I've got to sort out. The fridge wasn't running in and out quite nicely, and the bathroom door was a little bit out of alignment. So you've got to be prepared to either work with the people that you're buying the van off if it's a dealer, or accept, if you're buying privately, that you're going to have some things to sort out post purchase, and you've got to kind of factor that into the costs a little bit as well. But we're very happy. The changeover from our previous van to the Grand California was not the massive jump that we feared, sort of thing, and it's meant that we've probably got 5 to 10 years of quite luxurious camping. It's fantastic.
So there's our pub stopover, our first night away for 2026, and an excellent time meeting up with some great friends of ours and seeing their new to them camper vans. So I'm sure they're going to have many a happy trip away in their van going forward. I'm really jealous. It's quite fun having a new van and kitting it all out and everything. So I would definitely recommend that pub. Lovely place, really good flat car park, beautiful meal as well, really great. So check out the description below, let us know if it's somewhere you've been to before, and if not, give it a go. It's fab. And we'll see you again soon for some more Campervan Time.